Hi, I am Miss Andie from the Alameda Free Library, and I am going to share a story with you today, one of my all-time favorites, If You Come to Earth by Sophie Blackall. If You Come to Earth by Sophie Blackall. Look at these beautiful illustrations. Dear visitor from outer space, if you come to Earth, here's what you need to know. You can find us near a big sun and a tiny moon and a bunch of other planets. Ours is the greeny blue one. The green and brown bits are land, and the blue stuff is water. People mostly live on the land in big cities and small towns and tiny villages, or just in the middle of nowhere. We live in all kinds of homes. We lost our homes in a fire, in a flood, in a war. In all kinds of families. There are more than 7 billion people on Earth. We all have bodies, but every body is different. Except for my friends, who are identical twins and look the same, except for Mustafa's mole. Inside our heads, we are usually thinking. You can't see our thoughts, but sometimes we show our feelings on our faces. Even if we don't feel like it, we get dressed every day. We wear different clothes depending on what we do and where we live, and if it's hot or cold. There's lots of different weather in the world. Some of it's good and some of it's bad. Wherever people live, we usually have to go someplace else. There are lots of ways to get there. I'm a kid, and kids go to school to learn stuff, so we'll know what to do when we're grown up. This one maybe not learning quite so much today. Grown-ups do lots of things to make the world work. Look at all these professions. I wonder if you can notice any actual real people that the artist was inspired by. But when people are not at work or at school or sick or asleep, we get to do whatever we want. Whatever we are doing, we need to eat when we are hungry. Some of us have more food than others. We all need food and water to survive. We get water from the rain, which flows into little streams and big rivers and all the way to the sea. You can't drink the sea because it's too salty. The sea looks empty, but actually it's full. Fish can swim, but they can't walk. Most animals can walk or swim or gallop or hop, but they can't fly. I can fly. Some birds can swim and walk and fly. So if I had to choose, I'd be a bird. I can fly. Oh, sorry, it says I can't fly. Let me go back. Oops.